Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study a marriage proposal written by Anton Chekhov. This is a very famous play based on ridiculous and unlikely situations. Chubukov and Lomov are neighbors. They both are landowners. Chubukov has a young daughter named Natalia. She is about 25 years old. Lomov is a young man of 35. He comes to Zhukov's house in order to propose to his daughter, but all three are quarrelsome by nature. First, they enter into an argument over the ownership of a piece of land. Lomov forgets all about the proposal he has come to make. He says he has papers to prove his ownership of the land. They shout and call each other names. Even before this quarrel is settled, they have another quarrel. This time, it is about the breed of their dogs. Each claims his dog to be superior breed. Lomov is a nervous type of person. While quarreling with Natalia and her father, he faints. Natalia begins to cry that now there was nobody to propose to her. As soon as Lomov comes to himself, Chubukov puts his daughter's hand into Lomov's hand. Thus, the proposal is accepted without being made.